Hey y'all, we're Josh and Rebecca Addair, and we are so proud to share our story with you. From being raised in a small coal mining town of Matewan, West Virginia, to moving to our dream home in East Tennessee.
When we first laid eyes on our 110-year-old farmhouse, our hearts were filled with nothing but pure joy. We knew right then that this place was going to be our sanctuary and a place for others to gather and experience true mountain hospitality.
We're true Appalachian folk who show our love with a good meal, laughter, a helping hand, and a prayer when needed. Our goal is to give you an authentic look into the Addair family and the wonderful craziness that is our blessed life.
So y'all come on in and make yourselves comfortable. We're glad to have you here, and we can't wait to share a little slice of mountain life with each of you. Welcome home, friends.
So if you watched the last episode, we've been busy. This is all of the green beans that we picked out of the garden.
We have the beans.
Yes. So now that we've got them, we're going to show you how to make some good old-fashioned Appalachian green beans.
Yeah, so it's Sunday, and my sister is 3 weeks postpartum, and this is the first adventure out that she's making. So her and her husband and the 2 babies are coming over, and we're having Sunday supper. It's going to be green beans.
But for you, it's Monday.
For you, it's Monday, yes. But we're going to do green beans and cornbread and fried pork chops. And we'll put new potatoes in with like green beans.
Yes.
So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Let the bean breaking begin.
Yes. And this is your first step. So first thing, we washed them real good.
Yeah, that's your first step.
Yeah, wash them real good. We always do it in soak them in water and a little bit of vinegar. And then what's going to happen is we're just breaking the ends of them off. And then we snap them because I don't like them real big. You can keep them however you want. It's personal preference. And then we'll wash them again after this. So as we go, this is the kind of thing that you do sitting on the front porch.
Yeah, or in front of your favorite TV show.
Or in front of the camera while people watch you.
Nothing weird about that. Luckily, I mean, it's a lot of green beans, but luckily it's not like 85 pounds.
Correct.
Of them. So we probably won't cook all of these, will we? No.
I don't know. It'll depend on what we get here.
Okay. The thought is if we don't cook them, I think we're going to blanch them and freeze them. That's one of the ways you can preserve them. Another one is canning them. I've never frozen green beans, but we have canned them, so I'm curious to see how that would do. We actually still have some canned up there. We have like 4 jars. So that's awesome. We canned them last year, and we're getting them again, and we still have 4 jars. So we canned enough green beans for the year. That's pretty cool.
We did well.
Yay! And the goal is, again, we're going to have them for Thanksgiving
Yes.
and Sunday suppers. Do y'all do Sunday suppers? Sunday dinner? Whatever? I know we don't do them enough. Life really is busy, but it shouldn't be. We should slow down enough to have a good meal as a family or even good friends on Sunday. You know? That's something that we did as kids a lot. Maybe not on Sunday, but we would always go over to Mama's house. Mama and Aunt Linda and eat together ever so often.
So I have the beans broke and now I've just got them in some cool water with a little bit of distilled vinegar. We're going to wash them up one more time. Now I've also got these new potatoes that I'm going to rinse off real good and get them ready for the pot as well. Now I've got these new potatoes and I'm just going to half them into the pot.
So also in these is you just take an onion and quarter it, and that goes in there.
we keep adding stuff. We're not gonna have any room for the actual beans. I'm sorry, I'm slow at this, but I can cut it real fast on a cutting board. So yeah, there's that. And then after that, we have smoked pork hock, or a ham hock, if you know what you're doing. And we just throw it in there. This is where all your flavor comes from. All the good smoked pork hock.
Okay, and now I have drained these beans and rinsed them with a final cool rinse. And now we're going to take the beans and add them over in the pot and all the good. This is currently what we're working with.
Now we're just going to fill this completely with water, and then I will take it over to the stove.
If you have a business and are looking for an interesting way to advertise, email us at adairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
So, got a little ahead of myself, but just so you know, we're going to flavor this, or put some seasoning in it. Just some salt, fresh cracked pepper, and then I put about 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken bouillon. We're going to put this in. We're going to get this to just a good steady medium roll and boil. Cover it, and we're going to let it cook that way. Cook down. It'll run out of juice. We'll fill it back up. Cook down, run out of juice. You'll continue that process until everything in here is cooked soft the way you want it.
Okay, let's check on them. These have been going for a while. Oh yeah, everything's good and tender. Flavor looks good. Yeah. Wow, I think these are done.
All right. So we're going to take these over and play them. All right, these are cooked so tender. Now, we're going to plate these up. Look at that. If you would like to advertise your business during an episode of Addair's Farmhouse, feel free to email adairsfarmhouse@gmail.com.
Now we're gonna try it. This is some of that. Try that. What do you do when you're in a dilemma? You ask for help.
Okay, so I feel like that's a great idea. I don't know why I never thought about it before.
Hey y'all, update number 3. The update on the chicken church. Chicken church update, day 5. Day 6. Day 7. Day 8. Day 9. Day 10. Day 11. Day 12. Day 13. Day 14. We got a package. Head over to Run Chicken. Show them all kinds of love. Thank you all. 15, 17, 18, 20, 21.
I am on my way to pick up the congregation.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26. Day 31. You may be like, wait, you missed some days. I didn't. I was going back through the videos yesterday and realized that I repeated a bunch of numbers because that's who I am. So technically, as of yesterday, we have marked the 1 month mark in the Chicken Church
movement. 32. 32. We did it.
You did it?
They did it.
They did it.
They did it.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. We got it.
Wow.
We hit it. So I'm going to call Jess.
Okay.
I'm gonna call him.
Okay.
East Tennessee Coops, this is Justin.
Justin, this is Josh. How are you?
Hey Josh, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good. Hey, so I was just calling to let you know that we officially have met our goal. So we are ready to pay this thing completely off. The whole TikTok did it all by themselves.
Wow, man, that's incredible.
Yeah,
Really great.
yeah. We're so pumped.
I'm really happy for you guys. I'm looking forward to getting it all done and finished up for you. So we're excited.
Good. All right. Well, we're excited too. I just wanted to let you know. I wanted to tell you before I told anybody. But yeah. So
I appreciate that. Okay, great. This has been awesome. I'm excited.
yeah, me too. So just whenever you get time, if you'll send that invoice over, we'll get it paid and we're good to go.
Absolutely. Sounds good, man.
All right. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.
All right. Bye-bye.
Chicken church update. You all did it. You did it. I am beside myself. Thank you for helping my family achieve this goal. For the last 34 days, you all have been the hands and feet of Jesus. I cannot. Looking back on the last 34 days, it is like a dream. All of the things that we have achieved, all of you all that I have met, yes, we have obtained a goal. But more importantly, we have built a community. We're together, and that was the point of this. So thank you for being a part. This is just the beginning. Don't you go anywhere, because we've built the community. Now it's time that we walk this thing called life out together. Thank you for being a part. Thank you for being a part of this family. The work begins. I've been up since it was almost 4 o'clock, or going on 5 o'clock. I'm still so jazzed up. Thank y'all so much. Thank you for being a part of this. I love y'all. I love you. And I'm going to talk to you soon. The chicken church is now in session. Now we've got a lot of work to do, and you guys got to help me with all that. So just buckle up. This is just the beginning. Like I said, now we're here. And now the fun begins. So bless y'all. I hope you have a great Friday. I know that mine is going to be abundantly blessed. It's all because of you. So thank you. Have a great day.
If my northern attitude, oh, I would